Okay,
So
hello.
make them not
My
laugh.
name is Payne Hovis, and this is my project. So basically, I'm using a motor, 3 LEDs of different color, Piezo, temperature sensor, combining a bunch of tutorials here, boys. That's how we do it out here. So basically, what's going to happen is I'm using this as a temperature limiter. So basically, I'll change color. So blue means cold. Blue means it's cold. Green means it's moderate. It's like, okay, I'm good. Red means it's hot as fuck. Okay. And then when it hits red, the Piezo will sound off an alarm and the motor will stop moving. Okay, boys. So let's show it in action. Oh, bent it. Okay, sweet. Is that green? Hey, can you make the cereal prints come up? I don't like. See, it's heating up. I'm trying to use the heat from my hand to heat it up. See? Stopped it because it's hot. It's hot as fuck! Okay. Hi. So basically we have here is my fritzing side by side with like my breadboard and my schematic. And I'll be explaining to you like what it is. Okay. So this is the programming slots right here. So 12 is going here. As you can see, I have them color coded individually so you can see easily where they're going. These three are the grounds for the LED right here. So this ground's the red, blue, green. These are the LEDs to monitor the temperature. So blue means cold, greenish. It's green in on my actual board, but this is the closest thing I can find. Is warm, and red means overheating. Then it's going to send a signal to the Piezo, and it's going to start going off. Mute. So it's running from the 5 volt to the NPN transistor. This is the 13 slot programming slot where it's going into the middle of the NPN transistor, and then it's going out to the motor, and it's being grounded out with this yellow wire behind it. Okay. Yeah, that's really it. Okay. I'll show you it on here too. Here's the schematic view of it. Try to get everything as square as possible to make it look nice, so that it's easily understandable. Okay. You don't want too many overlapping colors because then it becomes kind of hard to tell what's what, and that's really it. Hello, my name is Payne Hovis, and this is my project for Coach L. It's an overheat protector and alarm. So basically what's going to happen is right now it's reading like all the temp val and volts and degrees in Celsius and Fahrenheit. So it says it's so then it says it's cool. So when just heat up this, you'll watch it slowly increase, the temperature sensor to raise in degrees Fahrenheit, volts and everything else, and then it'll switch to warm. Once it switches to warm, the motor slows down, and then eventually it'll hit overheat. Come on. It's overheating now, and it kills out the motor, and it makes the Piezo sound off to warn you it's overheating. Okay. So I'm using programming slots 10, 11, and 12 to send power to my LEDs based on temperature. If the temperature gets too hot, the program will shut down the motor for protection and sound the alarm. Let's scroll down so you can see more. So basically I'm just setting temp value so it prints out volts. I'm doing the formula to get volts off it, like get Celsius equals to volts, print out Celsius. And then this is the if statement. If it is 87 degrees, it's overheating. Like if it's greater than 87 degrees for Fahrenheit, it's overheating. And if it's under 87 degrees but over 81 degrees, it is warm. And if it's under 81 degrees, it is cold. Yeah, and that's really it. Thank you.